How to add apps on desktop. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to add different apps to your desktop. Let's just get right into it. If you're on Windows 11, go over to your Start menu and you can find the All Apps option here. Tap on it. It's going to show you a list of all of your apps. Now, let's say if I want to add Epic Games Launcher, what I'm going to do is right click on it, go to More, and then from there you want to go to Open File Location. Once that is done, it's going to take you directly over to your file location. Right click on it one more time, and then go to Open File Location again. Then it's going to take you to the exe file. Now all you have to do here is right click this and then tap on Send to. If you don't see it, go over to Show More Options and then go to Create Shortcut. And it's going to create a shortcut here. And do you want the shortcut to be placed on desktop? Just tap on yes, and it's going to place this shortcut on your desktop. What you can also do is go over here, tap on Send to, and go to Desktop to create a shortcut. Now you've successfully added an Epic Games Launcher shortcut. If you want, you can also rename it, and you're going to be good to go. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.